I think it's safe to say that the most important room in everyone's house is the kitchen. That's where everyone likes to gather, to eat. Well, what's been holding a lot of people back from redoing their entire kitchen is the cost. Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore because Alex Nemeth from Northeast Factory Direct is here. Alex, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
15 years ago, you started this business out of your roommate's garage, and now it's become, the must-go-to place for Northeast Ohio. How do you save people thousands of dollars? How do you do it?
No, it's pretty simple. We buy everything by the truckload, and we don't have a fancy place. This is, our rent here is about 1/10 of what it would cost in a high rent retail area, and we just pass the savings on to the customer. We take out all the fluff that you typically find in normal retail environments.
But just because you're saving in thousands of dollars, you're not saving on quality. It's still high-end stuff. The quality is there.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so let's talk about these kitchen cabinets.
So I like to show people an example of what's out there and what we have. This would be like your entry-level builder's grade type of cabinet you'd find from one of the big box stores where it's particle board sides, kind of cheap glides. This would be like the cheapest cabinet you can get. Once you get into high-end cabinets or our cabinets, they're all a solid wood box, full extension drawer glides with the cushion closed, soft closed drawers and the soft closed doors. All those bells and whistles are standard on all of our cabinets. These espresso cabinets here with all those bells and whistles are going to cost you less than what you'd pay for this off the shelf.
And in styles and shapes and colors, I mean, you have it all here. Yeah. You even have the hardware and even this beautiful granite. So all they have to do is come here and the whole thing is taken care of.
Absolutely. Our granite, our quartz, we can take it. It's a one-stop shop for everything. The biggest thing that we have is our designers. That's what's really special about what we have. They're great.
Just come to the West Side location for their kitchen cabinet showroom or visit northeastfactorydirect.com.